Welcome to Lake.com, where your lakeside adventure begins. I'm David, the founder and CEO. Let's get you started on a journey to discover, book, and enjoy the tranquility of lakeside retreats like never before. Now, first things first, you're going to want to create an account so you can access all the features of the platform. Click the sign up button on our homepage or the button in the top corner of every page on our website. You can pick between signing up with your email or your Google account if you have one. Signing up with your email is easy. Just enter your email address, then pick a password. If you're signing up with your Google account, you've probably done that before, so you'll be familiar with the steps there. The next screen offers you the choice of being a host who's offering accommodations or a guest who's looking to book a stay. Now, for this tutorial, I'll select a guest and you'll get a tailored experience designed just for you. Don't worry though, you can always switch between viewing the platform as a guest or a host at any time. This just lets us personalize the experience for you a little bit better. Already part of the community? Well, welcome back. Just hit that login button in the top corner, enter in your credentials, and dive right back in. If you signed up with your Google account, just click the Google button and you'll be automatically logged back in. Simple, right? Can't remember your password? Ugh, no problem, it happens to the best of us. Click the forgot password link for a quick fix. We'll email you a one-time link to create a new password, getting you right back into your account in no time. If you didn't receive it within a few minutes, you might want to check your spam folder, as sometimes those emails get sent there by mistake. If you're still having trouble though, no problem. Simply call our toll-free hotline to talk with a member of our support staff. We can get your password reset in no time. We're always here to help you. Now, let's pick back up on that adventure that we're planning. Because you selected guests when you signed up, you're already well on your way to exploring listings with breathtaking views and exciting experiences for you and your loved ones. Navigating Lake.com is a breeze. You can search by location or keyword, and then use filters to narrow down which properties can accommodate you and the number of guests that you have in mind. You'll also want to enter in your travel dates so that you can see only those properties that have availability. Now that you have some properties to check out, you can view them as a list or on a map. The map icon is in the top corner, and it's a helpful way to see how close properties are to the water or the nearest city. When you find a gem, click on that heart icon to save it to your favorites. With favorites, you can save those stunning retreats for later and even share them with friends or family members. Okay, there's just one last thing I want to point out in your account. It's called the Me menu. Your Me menu is your personal menu. Here, you can manage your profile and your settings and seamlessly switch between roles of being a guest and a host. It's all about you and your preferences. So take a few moments to poke around in there and see how you can personalize your account. At Lake.com, we're here to make sure that your lakeside getaway starts smoothly and ends with beautiful memories. Sign up today if you haven't already and let those lakeside adventures begin. Thanks for choosing Lake.com.